Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki. Please, if you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first person to get in touch. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to look at how we can map our own IP addresses. There's a special file in our machine, or in this our Kali Linus distribution, called host, that we can use to perform the domain name IP address translation instead of using the default one. So to do this, let's open our host file and see what is inside. We can use this to specify your own IP address domain name mapping. Thus, we can determine which IP address our browser goes to when we enter, for example, www.itsecgames.com or www.google.com or any other domain into our browser. You can use this to specify which IP address the browser goes, rather than letting the DNS decide it for us. So why is this necessary as a hacker or as a cybersecurity student? Why is this necessary? As a hacker, we can use this for hijacking a TCP connection on our local area network to direct the traffic to a malicious web server. So we can use any of our text editors to perform this. So let's use nano and the location of the file and the file name. So the file name is called host. Okay, so this is the file. So by default, the host file contains only a mapping for our local host. That's 127.0.0.1 and the system's host name, that's Kali in this case, at 127.0.1.1. So as we can see, we have the local host and the Kali. That's our host name. What if we want to direct a specific website traffic to our own? We can add the IP address and the website together. So for example, let's say we want to direct the traffic of www.itsecgames to our local website using the IP address of maybe 192.168.1.31. How can we do this? So we can edit this file. Let's add it. So first we have to type our IP address of the local server. Let's say 45. So here I didn't type space. I used the tab key to go to that space. So here we type the website that we want to direct a traffic. So let's say the website is www.itsecgames, so itsecgames.com. After that, we need to save our file. Let's see if it has taken effect. Yeah, we have mapped our own IP address to a domain name, itsecgames. So anytime we visit itsecgames, we are going to get the 192.168.1.45 address. The DNS will not automatically give us IP address. So this we have IP version 6 settings over here, but we are focusing on the IP version 4.1. As a hacker, as we get more involved in our hacking, or as we move forward, we have to learn to use some tools like the DNS spoof and hijacking. To do this, we have to be able to edit the host file, or we have to know how we can use the host file to direct any traffic when we visit www.itsecgames.com to our web server. That's the IP address 192.168.1.5. So this will help us direct traffic from our local network to our web server. So as a hacker, you have to know how you can perform this IP address mapping.